Bell Street in Bluevale. You're responding for a CO alarm going off in the residence. No symptoms. It's a plug-in alarm. The occupant of the residence will be waiting outside. Again, that's 90 Bell Street in Bluevale for a CO alarm going off in the residence. No symptoms. Attention North Huron, Wingham Station. Please respond. 90 Bell Street between Duncan and George Street. It's for a CO alarm going off in the residence. Again, 90 Bell Street in Bluevale. No symptoms. It's a plug-in alarm. The resident of the house will wait outside. Again, that's a CO alarm going off at 90 Bell Street. It's December 30th, 11:31:51.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 2.
Car 2, go ahead.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham station.
Roger that, car 2, you're acknowledging the page for the Wingham station. 11:32.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, tank 9.
Go ahead.
Show tank 9 responding to 90 Bell Street for report of a CO alarm. Charlie Alpha plus 4 belted.
Roger, tank 9, you're responding. Charlie Alpha plus 4, belted, 11:35:51.
Fire dispatch, tank 9.
Tank 9, go ahead.
Show tank 9 on scene. Charlie B command B mobile.
That's Roger, tank 9 on scene. Charlie command mobile, 11:42:32.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead. Command, you can go ahead.
All occupants are out of the structure. I'll be sending a crew of Par 2 in with the multi-gas meter to do a sweep of the structure.
Roger that, command. All occupants out of the structure. Crew 2 to enter with the gas utility tool and to assess the structure. It's 11:45:44.
Command, entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
You can show a sweep done of the first floor with 0 readings. I'm going to come out with alarm.
Roger that. 0 readings on the first floor.
Command, entry 1.
Go ahead, entry 1, command.
Entry team 1 has completed a sweep of the call space. 0 readings. We'll be returning to the front of the house.
Roger that, 0 readings in the crawl space. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
North Huron command, go ahead.
Dispatch, we've done a sweep of the entire structure with the multi-gas meter. 0 readings. It looks like it's a faulty detector. We'll just be doing a smoke alarm check.
That's Roger, 0 readings after sweep of the residence. You've located a faulty detector, 11:57:03.
Charlie, do you want to come to the front door for a face-to-face?
Roger that. Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead. Command, go ahead.
Property's going to be turned back over to the property owner. Command's terminated. Tank 9 will be clearing the scene. Return to Wingham Station.
Roger that. Property turned over to the homeowner. Command has been terminated. Tank 9 is returning. It's 12-19-27.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Tank 9.
Go ahead.
You show Tank 9 back at the Wingham station, back in service. Could you download this call for me, please?
Roger that, Tank 9. You're back in service at the hall. It's 12:30-50. Have a good day.
You as well. Thanks, dispatch.